It's Thursday, the 2nd of April, and me and the beautiful Mary are up in Northumberland. We've just come up for a couple of days and we're staying in a little village called Sea Houses, which is right on the northeast coast, and it's beautiful, really stunning location. And today we went on a boat called Serenity out to the Farne Islands. It did a little tour of the main islands and then took us back to Inner Farne, which is the sort of biggest one, and we were allowed to get off the boat and have a walk around. And yeah, here's what we saw.